number 41. X square equal to 144, then x equal to plus or minus 12. One is plus 12, another one minus 12. Second one, y square minus 26y plus 169. Product, one is plus 13, another one plus 13. 12 compared to 13 less than, minus 12 compared to 13 less than, then answer x is less than y. Next question number 42. First equation, what is the coefficient of x square? 12. But second equation, coefficient of y square 6. LCM 12. 12 how many times? 1 time. 6 how many times? 2 times. Means x roots are multiplied by 1 time, but y roots are multiplied by 2 times or not. Okay. First one, product 12, sum is 7. Then roots are minus 4, minus 3 or not. Second one, 6 into 1, 6. Initial roots are plus 3, plus 2 or not. What are the final roots? Minus 6, minus 4 or not. Multiplied by 2 times or not. First minus 4 compared to minus 6. Greater. Minus 4 minus 4 equal. Minus 3 compared to these two values. Greater. What is the answer? X greater than or equal to y. Question number 43. First equation, what is the product value? 48. Sum value 14. What are the roots we written? Minus 8 plus 6, sorry, plus 8 plus 6 or not. Second one, what is the product value? 40. Sum value 13. One will be plus 8, another one plus 5 or not. 8 compared to 8 equal. 8 compared to 5 greater. 6 compared to 8 lesser or not. Opposite symbols or not. What is the answer? No relation. Next question number 44. First of all, left hand side 36 square how much? 1296 or not. Minus how much value? 212. What is the remaining? 1084. Out of 1084 we are subtracting 60. What is the remaining? 1024. Then answer 32 square or not. Next question number 45. 18 to 25, 200 plus 1, 201 by 8. Second one, 5 1 by 4, 21 by 4. But this one we written 42 by 8. What is the difference between 201 and 52? 159 by 8. Both sides 159 cancel. Then question mark equal to 8. Next question number 46. 40% of square root of 225. Square root of 225 means 15. 40% of 15, 6. 6 how many times? 6 square. 6 times or 30% value is how much? 6. 30% or 6 means 100%. 20 or not? 30% 6 means 100%. 20. Next 47. First 3 into 10 cube. 3000 or not? 50 how many times? 3000. 60 times or not? Then we are getting 15 by 60. 15 by 60 means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 0.25. Next 48. 5 by 16. 85 by 16 into 32 by 5 into something by 100. That is equal to 408 by 10. Okay. First left hand side 1 0, right hand side 1 0, denominator cancel. 85, 17 how many times? 5 times. 17 how many times? 2 times. Again 4 times or not? Okay. 5 get cancelled. 16 how many times? 2 times. 2, 12 times or not? 12 into 10, 120 or not? Next question number 49. First one 0.054 by 0.729. Numerator 3 decimals, denominator also 3 decimals are. Then we written 54 by 729 into numerator 2 decimals, denominator 3 decimals are. This one we written 81 by 160 are. Into how much? 20 are. 20 almost 8 times are. 81 how many times? 9 times are. 9 almost 6 times are. 6 by 8, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means 0.75. Next question number 50. And here ending value 0.25 plus 0.25, 0.5 plus 0.5 means 1. 242 plus 1, 243 plus 77, 320 plus 580, 900. Square root of 900, 30. Next 51. 125 divided by which one? 0.25. 0.25 means we written 1 by 4. It will be multiplied by 4 times. 125 into 4, 500 into 1.2. The answer 600. Next 52. All are in mixed fractions. First we are adding the integers. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. Again 1 by 4 it is also written as 2 by 8. 2 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 5 by 8. 8 by 8. 8 by 8 means 1. 7 plus 1 or 7 minus 1? 7 plus 1. Answer 8. Next 53. Left hand side power 22 square plus 8 square. 484 plus 64. Total it is 548 divided by 137. That is equal to something square. I think directly 4 times. Then something value 2. Something required or something square? Something. Next 54. First of all, left hand side square root, it will become right hand side square. Then we are getting right hand side 3600. 250% of which one? 1200. 250% means we return 5 by 2. 2 how many times? 600. 600 into 5, 3000. What is the difference between 3600 and 3000? 600. Next 55. First 20 square 400, 6 square 36 plus 5, 41. Total it is 441. Square root of 441, 21 into 7. What is the answer? 147. Next 56. 124 divided by 4, 31 into 5, 155 minus 100, 55. Next 57. Square root of 196, 14. Square root of 225, 15. 14 plus 15, 29. 497 minus 29. What is the answer? 468. 58. 6 square 36 plus 3, 39 into 7. End with 300 plus 8 square means end with 4. 4 plus 3, 7. End with 7. Only one option. చిన్న చిన్న క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ కూడా చేయకుండా వెరిఫికేషన్ చేయకండి దయచేసి. అది అలవాటు చేయండి బ్రెయిన్కి, చిన్న చిన్న క్యాలిక్యులేషన్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 59. 144 divided by 12, almost 12 times. 15 into 12, 180. 196 and 180 difference, 16. Which one square? 4 square. Next question number 60. 59 completed. Next question number 60. The following graph depicts the number of books borrowed by 4 different individuals, Pinku, Rina, Sia and Tim, from libraries A and B in the year 2020. And here how many persons? 4 persons. And library A and library B data are given. First one, total number of books borrowed by Tim from both the libraries together is what percentage of that borrowed by Pinku from both the libraries? Team from both the libraries. What is the team value? Library A 20 and library B 36. 20 plus 36, 56. Is what percent of Pinku from both the libraries? 90 or 100? 50 plus 40, 90. 56 by 90 into 100. 0 cancel. Denominator must be 9 or 100. How many options are denominator? 9. 2 options are 100. 560 by 9 means more than 60 times or not? More than 60 times. Means second option not possible or not? Then answer fourth one or not? Next 61. In 2025, the number of books borrowed by Sia from library A was 25% more than the same library in 2020, and also in 2025 number of books borrowed by Sia from library B was 20% more than the R from library A in 2025. What was the total number of books borrowed by Sia from both the libraries together in 2025? Suppose in 2020 value we are consider 100%, or already given same library in 2020 library A Sia, or the Sia library A 2020 72. Out of 72, how much percent are more? 25% more. Means we written 5 by 4. 5 by 4 means 90, 100. 25% adding means it will be 5/4 of 72, 100. Next, again 2025 value 20% more, 100. It is library A, but library B 20% more, 100. What is the 20% of 90? 18. 90 plus 18, 108. Library A 90, library B are 108. Both are adding 198. Which option? Fifth option, 100. First we need to identify the A value. After that B value. Both are adding 2025 A and B value, 100. 62. What is the average number of books borrowed by Reena from both the libraries, 100? Together is how much? One is 32, another one 64. Total 96. Average means 48. 63. What is the respective ratio to the number of books borrowed by Pinku and Sia together from library A? What is the Pinku value library A? 40. Next to Sia 72. Total it is 112. Next Pinku and Sia library B. What is the Pinku value library B? 50. Sia 48. 50 plus 48, 98, and 100. What is the difference? 14. 14 how many times? 8. 7, and 100. What is the ratio? 8:7. Next question number 64. What is the difference between the number of books borrowed by Reena from library A and that borrowed by Tim from library B? Reena from library A. What is the Reena value library A? 64. Team library B. 36 అనుకుంటా ఫస్ట్ ది. Reena from library A 64, second one 36. 4 difference we required. What is the difference? 28. 65. Question number 65. The respective ratio in the present days of A and D is 5:3. A is how many parts? 5 parts. D is how many parts? 3 parts. Next, D is 6 years younger than C. Means C will be 3 parts plus 600. 3 parts plus 6. If at present A age is equal to which one? C's age 6 years answered. A present means 5 parts. That is equal to C after 6 years. Means 3 parts plus 6 plus 600. Okay. Then 2 parts equal to how much? 12. 1 part 6. What is the question here? A present age or not? How many parts we need? 5 parts. What is the answer? 30. Speed of the boat in still water is 9 times of the which one? Speed of the water current. Means speed of the stream is how many parts? Speed of the stream 1 part. Boat speed are 9 parts. Next, the total time taken by the boat to travel certain distance upstream and the same distance downstream is 9 hours. What is the total distance traveled by the boat upstream and downstream together? Okay. What are the M pluses? 10 parts. M minuses 8 parts. Distance equal to we written speed into time. Product of the speeds by difference of the speeds into time difference. What is the downstream speed? 10 parts. Upstream speed 8 parts. What is the total time? Sorry, total speed 18 parts. Into time is how many hours? 9 hours. Product of the speeds by sum of the speeds into total time. Parts get cancelled. Cancel. 9 how many times? 2 times. 2 how many times? 4. 10 4s are 40 or not? It is only either A to B distance or B to A distance or not? But we required total distance or not? A to B plus B to A means 40 plus 40. How much? 80 or not? It is not a formula. We required which one? Forty parts వస్తుందా? How many unknowns? 2 unknowns. Distance is unknown, parts also unknown. Then answer cannot be determined. సింపుల్గా మాట్లాడుకుంటే చూడండి, d by m plus s plus d by m minus s equal to total time or not? We know the total time, but we don't know the distance. And here m comma s values are given in parts. How many unknowns? 2 unknowns. Then answer cannot be determined. Question number 67. A square park is built 1/5 of the area of the rectangular field. The breadth of the rectangular field is double the side of the park, and length of the field is 20 meters. What is the area of the park? First, area of the park means a square, that is equal to 1/5 of the which one? Area of the rectangle. What is the rectangle area? L into B. L is given how much? 20. L is given 20. And breadth of the rectangle is twice of the which one? Side of the park. Means in place of B we return 2A. Okay. 20 into 2 how much? 40. 5 how many times? 8 times. A square equal to 8A. A equal to 8. What is the question here? Area of the park. What is the answer? 64. Question number 68. A certain sum of money when invested 10% per annum compound interest for 2 years will earn 456 rupees less as interest than the interest earned when the same sum is invested at 10% per annum simple interest for 4 years. What is the sum are invested? 10% for 2 years, what is the compound interest? 21%. 10% for 4 years, what is the simple interest? 40%. How much percent or less is getting? 19%. What is the 19% value are given? 456. But we required sum invested. How much percent we need? 100%. 19 almost 2 times. Again 4 times. Then answer 2400. Question number 69. Ruhi sold an item at 20% discount on its MRP and earned a profit of 28%. And he sold the item at a discount of 50 rupees, then he would have earned a profit of 20%. What is the cost price of the item? 20% discount, and but profit is 28%. Suppose cost price we are consider how much? 100%. Market price. Any relation? Cost price and market price relation are given? No. What is the discount value? 20%. What is the profit value? 28. Cost price are 100%. Selling price are 128%. 128%. But discount is how much percent are given? 20%. Means selling price are 80%. Market price are 100%. If market price are 100, selling price are 80%. What is the 80% value? 128. 16 5 times, 16 8 times. 5 how many times? 20 times. 28 is 160. No confusion. Cost price is how much? 100. Selling price are 128. Then market price 160. And what is the next point? And he sold the item at a discount of how much? 50. Means out of 160, how much discount are given? 50. But he earned a profit of how much? 20%. 160% minus 50. We are getting the new selling price. The new selling price is he getting a profit of how much? 20%. Means 120 percent. What is the difference between 160 and 120? 40%. Equal to how many rupees? 50. What is the question here? Cost price. How much percent we need? 100%. What is the answer? $125. 0 0 cancel. 500 by 4. 125. Next is 70. A train traveling at a speed of 72 km per hour takes 24 seconds to cross a vertical pole. How much time will the same train traveling at a speed of 36 km per hour takes to crosses a platform of length 320 meters? First, when a train passes a pole means total distance are only train length. That is equal to speed into time. What is the speed of the train? 72 converted to meter per second. Into how many seconds it will be passes? 24. 18 almost how many times? 4 times. 4 5s are 20. Into 24 means 480. That is only train length. But second case, the same train will be passes a platform. When a train passes a platform means total distance are train length plus platform length. Already train length 480. Platform length 320. Total distance 800. It will be passes with a speed of how much? 36 km per hour. 36 into 5 by 18. Where get the time value? 18 almost 2 times. 2 5s are 10. Then answer 800 by 10. 80 seconds or minutes? Seconds. Question number 71. B's monthly salary is 25% more than the A's monthly salary. Suppose A monthly salary we are consider 100%, then B monthly salary are 125%. These two are salaries. Salary is different, saving is different. Salary means income value, nothing but expenditure plus saving. Okay, what is the question here? A and B both save 20% from their respective salary. Out of 100%, first one 20% are saving. Second one, out of 125, 20% means what is the 20% of 125? 25%. A saves 20, B saves 25. What is the A expenditure? 80. B expenditure 100. Okay, these two are savings, these two are expenditures, and these two are incomes. What is the question here? The difference between the expenses made by A and B is how much? 12,000. What is the difference in percentage? 20%. That is equal to how much? 12,000. What is the question here? B monthly salary. How much percent we need? 125%. Almost 6 times. What is the answer? 75,000. Next question number 72. 3/5 of the total population of a village is given how much? Village is males. 3/5 of the total population is males. 3/5 means what is the percentage? 60%. Males are 60%. Obviously females 40%. What is the next one? If the number of and 75% of the number of females and 60% of the number of males are literate. What is the 75% of 60? 45%. Next, females or males? Females. Sorry. What is the females total? 40. In that how much percent? 75%. What is the 75% of 40? 30%. But in males how much percent? 60%. What is the 60% of 60? 36%. What is the question here? Difference between the number of male literates and female literates in the village is how much? 270. Male literates are 36. Female literates 30. Difference is 6%. Equal to how much? 270. But we required total population. How much percent we need? 100%. Almost 45 times. What is the answer? 4,500. Next is 73. M and A invested in a business. The amount invested by A was more than the invested by M by how many rupees? 200. Means A investment compared to M investment 200 more. The respective ratio between the time period which M and A invested was 3:2. M and A time ratio 3:2. If M share from the profit was equal to that one, A or not, means M profit and A profit are equal or different? Equal. Means profits are constant or changed? Constant. When profits are constant, these two are inversely proportional. Okay, one is investment, another one time. What is the time ratio of M and A are given? 3:2. Time ratio 3:2 means investment ratio 2:3. M invested 2 parts, A invested 3 parts. How many parts are more? 1 part. 1 part equal to 200. But we required which one investment? A. How many parts we need? 3 parts. What is the answer? 600. Next question number 74. A jar contains 180 liters of mixture of milk and water in the respective ratio of 5:1. When a certain quantity of mixture, X liters, are taken out of the jar, the difference between the quantities of milk and water in the remaining mixture becomes 100 liters. What is the value of X? In 180 liters, what is the milk and water ratio? Out of 180 we are taken X liters. In that X liters also milk and water 5:1. Okay. Out of 180 we are taken X liters are taken out. What is the remaining quantity? 180 minus X. In that also milk is how many parts? 5 parts. Out of 6 parts or not? Milk quantity is 5/6 of which one? 180 minus X. What is the water quantity? 1/6 of 180 minus X or not? Remaining milk, remaining water. What is the condition here? Difference between the quantities of milk and water in remaining mixture becomes how much? 100. Means these two difference equal to how much? 100 or not? Okay. Left hand side denominator it will become right hand side product or not? 6 into 100, 600. 5 into 180, 900. 1 into 8, 180. 180. Difference are 720. One is 720, another one 600. Difference is 120 or not? Minus 5x minus of minus x. Difference will be 4x or not? 4x equal to 120. X value 30 or not? Left hand side more value, right hand side less value or not? Okay. What is the answer? 30. Average weight of a class is 24 kgs. 3 new students of average weight of 16 kgs join the class, thereby decreasing the average weight of the new class, thus formed by 1.6 kgs. How many students were there in the class initially? Initial number of students are unknown, though the average are 24. How many students we are adding? 3 students. What are the 3 students average are given? 16. After adding 3 students we are get the total students, but total students average is decreased by how much? 1.6. Before 24, 1.6 decreased means 22.4. The 22.4 is the average of all the students. What is the difference between 24 and 22.4? 1.6. 16 and 22.4 difference 6.4. What is the ratio? 4:1. One part is how much? 3. What is the question here? Initial students are 4 parts are 12. What is the answer? 12. Wrong number series సార్ చెప్తారు. Next PO paper. Question number 41. PO paper. Data regarding the distribution of number of people, male plus female, who visited 3 clubs ABC on Monday. Number of male visitors are given how much? 120, and number of female visitors are 90. Direct data. What is the first question? What is the respective ratio in the total number of males who visited clubs A and B together and number of females who visited club C? Male club A and club B. Club A how much? 30. Club B 45. Total 75%. Of which one? 120 or 100. Second one, female club C. 30% of which one? 90 or 100. Okay. 30 how many times? 4 times or 100. 75 means 15 5 times, 15 6 times or 100. 2 2s are 2 3s are. What is the answer? 5 10 is to 3. Or 75% of 120 means 90 or 100. 90 90 cancel or 100. 100 by 30 means 10 is to 3 or 100. Next question number 42. What is the number of people, male plus female, visited club B? 45% of which one? 120 means 54 or 100. 54 or 66? 54. Next 20% of 90. 18 or 100. Total 72. What is the difference between the total number of females who visited clubs A and C together and number of males who visited club A? Females club A, 50% of which one? 90. How much? 45. 30% of 90. 27. 45 plus 27. 72. Males visited club A, 30% of 120. 36. What is the difference? 36 or not? We require difference or not? Next question number 44. Number of females who visited club A was what person more than the number of males who visited club A? Females from club A, 30% of 120. 36. Next club A, club A females, 50% of 90. 45. Next 30% of 120. 36 or not? 9 5 times, 9 4 times or not? How many parts are more? 1 part. 1 upon 4. What is the answer? 25. Next question number 45. On Tuesday, if the number of males visited club C is increased by 20% as compared to Monday, club C male value are increased or not? What is the club C male value on Monday? 25% of 120. How much? 30. 20% increase means 6 is added or not? 30 plus 6. 36 or not? Next question number 46. Approximations. What is the first value? 7. Second one 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 equal to something or not? 16 plus 16 32 plus 63. Total 95. Next. First one 8. Second one 25 minus 33. Cancel or not? Next right hand side 9 square 81 minus 9 minus something or not? Then something equal to 72. Next 48. 6 square 36 into 12 minus 4 square 16 divided by 2. 2 how many times? 8 times. 36 into 12 means 12 square into 3 or not? 12 square into 3. Or 36 10 times, 36 2 times. 432 minus 8 or not? What the answer? 424. Next question number 49. What is the first term? 8. Second one 5. 8 5s are 40 plus 6 square 36. 40 plus 36 76. Right hand side 3 into 8 24. Then answer 52 or not? Something plus 24 equal to 76 means something must be 52. Next question number 50. First term 13. Second term 16. 13 into 16 plus 25 minus 9 or not? Okay. 25 minus 9 16. 16 plus 16 32 into 13. What is the 10 times of 13? 10 times of 32, 320. 3 times 96. Total it is 416 plus 5 square 25. Total it is 441. Which one square? 21 square. Question number 51. Population percentage of literates among males and females in different villages are heard. Village A, what is the total population are given? 3000. In that male and female are only male. Male and female. Out of the total population, percentage of males are how much? 40%. What is the remaining? 60%. Those are in females or males? Females. Next, out of the male population, percentage of literates is how much? 20% are heard. Then we written individual data of each one. A total population is how much? 3000. Male population 40%. 40% means 1200. Obviously female population 1800. In male literates and illiterate. Female also literate and illiterate. What is the first one? 20%. Out of the males, 20% are literate. What is the 20% of 120? 240. What is the remaining? 960. Next, out of the female, 40% means 720. 720 are literate means remaining 1080 illiterate. చిన్న చిన్న పర్సంటేజ్లే కదా, క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేసి టేబుల్ రాస్తే ఈజీ. నెక్స్ట్ బి, వాట్ ద టోటల్ పాపులేషన్? 4000. ఇన్ దట్ మేల్ 55. 55% means 2200. Females are 1800. Out of 2200, 60% are which one? Literates. What is the 60% of 2200? 1320. What is the remaining? 2200. In that 60%, 1320. What is the remaining? 880. Next, out of 1800, 35% are literate. 1800, 35%. What is the 30%? 540. What is the 5%? 90. 540 plus 90, 630. What is the remaining? 1170. 1170. C. What is the C total population? 5500. In that male, 60%. 60% means 3300. Remaining 2200. Out of the males, 25% are literates. 25% means half, again half. Half of the 3200. 3300. 1650. Again half. 825. What is the remaining? 300 minus 25, 75. 100 minus 25 means 75. 3200 and 800. Difference is 2475. Next, in females, out of 2200, 25% means 550. What is the remaining? 1650. 1650. D. Total population 6500. In that how much percent? 35%. 30%, 1950. 5%, 325. Total it is 2275. 2275. Out of 6500 we are subtracting 2275. What is the remaining value? 4225. 4225. Next, in males how much percent are literates? 40%. 40% of 2275. 10%, 227.5. 20%, 400, 440, 455. 455. Double means 910. 910. What is the remaining? 75 minus 10, 65. 22 minus 9, 13. 1365. నెక్స్ట్ అంత క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ మాకు ఎందుకు అన్నట్టున్నారు కొంతమంది. వాట్ ద 10%? 422.5. 20%. We require 20% or not? 845. What is the difference? 125 minus 45, 80. 41 minus 8, 33. 3380 or not? What is the ratio between the number of literate males and number of literate females in village B or not? Literate males in village B, how much? 1320. Literate females in village B, 630. 0 cancel, 132 and 63. Both are in 3 multiples. 3 how many times? 44. 3 how many times? 21. Which option? Second option or not? Next 52. What is the total number of literate females in villages A and C together or not? Literate females in village A and C together. What is the literate? 720. Next 550 or not? Total 1270 or not? Next 53. What is the literate population male plus female in village D? Literate village D, male and female. One is 910, another one 845. Total it is 1755. Next 55. What is the difference between the number of females literate plus illiterate in village C and that in village D? Literate plus illiterate means total population or not? Only females or not? Village C females is how much? 2200. Village D females 4225. What is the difference? 2025 or not? Next 55. Number of literate males in village A is what percentage of the number of females literate plus illiterate in village B? Males in village literate 240 is what percent of total females of village B? How much? 1800. 240 by 1800 multiplied by 100 or not? Zeros are cancelled. 646 3 times or not? 40 by 3 means 13 1 by 3. Next 56. Wrong number series sir maatladtaru. Next question number 61. The length of a rectangle whose area is given how much? 288 square meters is twice its breadth. What is the perimeter of a square whose side is 4 meters more than the breadth of the rectangle? Area to be equal to how much? 288. But length is twice the which one? Breadth. Breadth are one part. Breadth is one part. Length is two parts. These two are multiplied. It is equal to 288. 2 how many times? 144. Then every one part is how much? 12. What is the question here? Square perimeter are required, but whose side is 4 meters more than the breadth? Means A equal to 16. Perimeter means 4 into 16. What is the answer? 64. Next, out of her monthly salary, Ruhi keeps aside 30% for her monthly investments. From the remaining, she spends 7,500 and the rest she divided between A and B in the respective ratio of which one? 7:3. If the difference between the amount he gave to A and B was how much? 7080. What was her monthly salary? First, monthly salary you are consider 100%. In that 30%. Investments, what is the remaining? 70%. 70%. In that 70%, 7,500 are spending on. What is the remaining? 70% minus 7,500. That is remaining balance. That is distributed how many parts? 10 parts. Means divide by 10. We are get the one part. Yes or no? A how many parts? 7. B 3 parts. Total 10 parts. What is the 10 parts value? 70% minus 7,500. Next, and one more difference between the amount A and B was how much? 7080. A 7 parts, B 3 parts means difference. 4 parts are not. Means 4 by 10 are not. 4 by 10 of which value? 70% minus 7,500. Divide by 10 we are get the one part. Multiplied by 4 we are get the 4 parts value. That is equal to how many rupees? 7080. 80. Don't cancel the left hand side value. 4 by 10 means it is 40%. Yes or no? 40% of 70%. 28%. What is the 40% of 7,500? 3,000. That is equal to how much? 7080. 4 by 10 means 2 by 5 or not? 2 by 5 means what is the percentage? 40%. 40% of 70%, 28. 40% of 7,500, 3,000. 28% minus 3,000 equal to 7080. 3,000 plus 7080. 10,080 or not? It is equal to how much percent? 28%. But we required 100% or not? 28 3s are how much? 84. What is the remaining? 16. 168 or not? How many times? 6 times. 360 into 100. What is the answer? 36,000. Next question number 63. A vessel contains a mixture of milk and water in the respective ratio of which one? 4:1. If 20 liters of the mixture was taken out and 20 V liters of each of pure milk and pure water was added, if the resultant quantity of milk and that of water in the mixture was how much? 152 liters and 44 liters respectively. What was the value of V? First of all, initial mixture contains some liters. Suppose initial quantity we are consider x liters. In that x liters, what is the milk and water ratio? 4:1. Out of the x liters, how many liters are taken? 20 liters. What is the remaining? X minus 20 or not? In that x minus 20, what is the milk and water ratio? 4:1 or not? Out of x, 4:1 means out of x minus 20 also 4:1. Milk is how many parts? 4 parts. Out of 5 parts. Then milk value I written 4 by 5 of which one? X minus 20 or not? Again we are adding V liters of milk and V liters of water. Total how many liters we are adding? 2V or not? 2V or not? Yes or no? In that 2V liters, half quantity are milk and half quantity are water. Means milk is how much? Half or not? Suppose we 10 liters. 10 liters, 10 liters means what is the ratio? 1:1. Milk is how much? 1 out of 2 parts. Yes or no? Next. After adding 2V liters, we are get the new mixture. In that new mixture, milk and water, milk is 152, water are 44. 152 and 44. What is the ratio? 4 how many times? 3, 8. 4 how many times? 11. Total mixture 49 parts. In that milk value 38 parts. 38 parts. Out of x minus 20 liters, what is the milk value? 4 by 5. Out of 2V liters, what is the milk value? 1 by 2. Out of the new mixture, what is the milk value? 38 by 49. Simplify these three, we are get the ratio. Okay. 49 4s how much? 196. 38 5s 190. Difference is how much? 6 by 5 into which one? 49. Another one 49 1s are 49. 38 2s are 76. 49 and 76 difference 27 by 49 into 2 or not? Denominator 49 49 cancel or not? And 3 2s are 3 how many times? 9 times or not? Any other cancellations? No. 9 into 5 45. 2 into 2 4 or not? Then mixtures are in which ratio? 45:4. Total mixture is how many parts? 49 parts. Total mixture is how many liters? 152 plus 44. Quantity 1 plus quantity 2. That is total mixture or not? How many liters? 196. Parts wise how many parts? 49 parts. 49 parts are 196 liters. 2V represents how many parts? 4 parts are 49 how many times? 4 times. 4 4s are how much? 16. That is equal to 2V or V? 2V. 2V equal to 16 means what is the V value? 8 or not? If you have taken equation method, 2 unknowns are there. Yes or no? 5 parts, 4 parts, 1 part. 2 unknowns or only 1 unknown? 2 unknowns. X is unknown, V also unknown or not? 2 unknowns or only 1 unknown? 2 unknowns. What is the answer? 8 or 16? 8. Next is 64. Had Aman sold an article at 25% discount on its MRP, he would have made a profit of 20%. Had he sold the same article at 20% discount on the same MRP, he would have made a profit of 70. What was the market price of the article? What is the discount percentage here? 25%. Means market price are 8 parts, selling price 6 parts are 25% means what is the fraction? 1 by 4. 1/4 discount means 4 parts are market price, 3 parts are selling price are. If it is I taken double, market price 8 parts, selling price are 6 parts are. Yes or no? Next, what is the next one? You would have made a profit of how much? 20%. 20% profit means selling price 120, cost price 100%. 120% means 6 parts. 100% means 5 parts. Means selling price are 6 parts, cost price are 5 parts are. Okay. Next, and he sold the same article at 20% discount on the same market price or different price? Same. What is the market price here? 8 parts. In that how much percent are discount? 20%. What is the 20% of 8 parts? 1.6 are. Out of 8 parts, 1.6 are subtracting. We are get the remaining selling price are. What is the selling price value? 6.4 parts are. What is the 10% of 8 parts? 0.8. 20%. 1.6. 8 minus 1.6. 6.4 parts. And you would have made a profit of how much? 70. Cost price is how much? 5 parts. What is the new selling price? 6.4 parts. How many parts are profit? 1.4. That is equal to how much? 70. But we required market price are. How many parts we need? 8 parts are. How many times? 5 times are. What is the answer? 400 are. Actually 50 times are. Question number 65. 20% ప్రాఫిట్ అన్నాడు. అంటే సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ 6 పార్ట్స్ ఉంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ ఉంటుంది? 5. సెల్లింగ్ 6 అంటే మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ ఎంత ఉండాలి? 8 అన్నాడు. అదొక్క చిన్న పాయింట్ పెట్టుకుంటే క్వశ్చన్ ఈజీ. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 65. In 2014, an organization had 2,400 employees, which is increased by 20% in 2015. 2014 and 2015. What is the 2014 total value? 2,400. It is increased by 20% means what is the 10%? 240. 20%? 480. Total it is 2,880. Next, in 2015, the number of female employees was 720 less than the male employees. Means male and female data are only males. Male and female. Female compared to male 720 less. Means the difference is 720. But sum will be 2,880. 2,880 plus 720 how much? 3,600. Sum will be 3,600. Divide by 2. 1,800. Means male value is how much? 1,800. Female value 1,080. We know the sum of the male and female. We know the difference between female and male. Means some are given, difference are given. Obviously we are get the individual males and individual females. What is the next point? If the number of female employees is decreased by 20% from 2014 to 2015. From 2014 to 2015, females are decreased by how much? 20%. 20% are decreased means 1,080. It is represents how much? 80% error. 80% value 1,080. Then 100% value 0 cancel. It is 5 by 4 error. 4 how many times? 270. 5 into 270 means 1350. Females in 2014 1350. Out of 2400 we are subtracting 1350. What is the remaining value? 1050. That is the male value or female value? Male value. Question number 66. The speed of the boat upstream is 20% less than the which one? Downstream. Upstream speed compared to downstream speed 20% lesser. Suppose downstream speed m plus s, upstream speed m minus s. Upstream compared to downstream 20% less, means downstream speed are 5 parts, upstream speed are 4 parts, sir. And if the total time taken by the boat to travel 45 kilometers downstream, means 45 by which one? 5 parts. Next upstream 72 by how many parts? 4 parts. Time in downstream, time in upstream, both are adding, total time is how many hours? 9 hours, sir. 5 how many times? 9. 4 how many times? 18, or 9 plus 18. Total how many hours? 6 hours 45 minutes. 6 hours how many minutes? 45 minutes. Means 645 by 60, or 15 how many times? 3 times. 15 4 times. 4 6 are 24 plus 3 means 27 by 4, or okay. Simplify this one, we are get the one part value, or 5 how many times? 9. 4 how many times? 18, or 9 plus 18 27. 27 cancel, or then one part equal to how much? 4, or one part value or 4 means 5 parts are 20, 4 parts are 16. What is the question here? Speed of the stream, adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Subtracting by 2. 20 minus 16, 4. 4 by 2 means 2, or not? Ten women can complete a piece of work in how many days? 24 days. What is the total work? 240, or next 8 men can complete the same project in how many days? 18 days. Total work 144, or what is the question here? What is the ratio between the number of days taken by 16 women can complete the project and that taken by 12 men to complete the same project or different project? Same project. First of all, 10 women can complete the whole project 24 days. Total work 240. The same 240 is completed by how many women? 16 women, or means how much time are taken? 15 days, or 10 persons ki 24 days time padite, 16 persons ki enta time padutundi? 10 into 24 how much? 240. It is divided by 16, we are getting how many days? 15 days, or second one, 8 persons can complete the whole project in how many days? 18 days. Work is 144. The same 144 is completed by 12 persons. How much time are taken? 12 days, or not? What is the ratio? 5:4. 5:4. Efficiency రాసి క్యాన్సిలేషన్ చేసి అంత అవసరం లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 68. At present Ali is 8 times of the age of the which one? Sarah. Means Ali and Sarah at present 8:1, or after a certain number of years, Ali will be how much? 36. Sarah will be 15. 36 and 15, what is the ratio? 36 and 15, what is the ratio? 12:5, or 12:5. 36 is divided by 3. 15 also divided by 3. Means every one part equal to how many years? 3 years, sir? Yes or no? Every one part equal to 3. At present Ali is how many parts? 8 parts. After some years Ali will be 12 parts. How many parts are increased? 4 parts. At present Sarah 1 part. After any years 5 parts. Means each one how many parts are increased? 4 parts, sir? Present to future each one 4 parts are increased. Every one part is 3 years. 4 parts are 12 years, sir. What is the question here? Ali is at present, or not? Ali present age means how many parts we need? 8 parts. What is the answer? 24. If you required n value, what is the answer? If you required n value, what is the answer? 12. But if you required Ali percentage means answer 24. Here we required Ali. Ali is how many parts? 8 parts. 8 parts are 24. అంటే నాకు క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా అనిపించిందంటే ఎన్ వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాల్సిందే. వాట్ ద ఎన్ వాల్యూ? 12 అన్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 69. ABC started a business with investments in the ratio of 3:6:4. 6 months after the start of the business, B doubled his investment. B double his investment means up to 6 months, 6 parts. Double means 12. It will be used for remaining 6 months. And C withdraw half of his investment means up to 6 months, 4 parts. After 6 months, half means 2 into 6. And first person invested for all the 12 months. All are in 12 multiples. 3 into 12, 36. 6 into 6, 36. 12 6 are 72. Total it is 108. 4 6 are 24. 2 6 are 12. It is also 36. What is the ratio? 1:3:1. Total how many parts? 5 parts. What is the 5 parts value? 29,250. We required how many parts? 3 parts. Means 60% or 30%? 60%. 60% means 50% plus 10%. Or 3 కనిపిస్తుంది అనుకుంటా. 3 multiple or 9 multiple? 3 multiple. First option 3 multiple. First option 3 multiple. Yes. Second option. Yes. Third option. Yes. Fourth option. అవసరమా ఇంకా? 5 how many times? 5 times. What is the remaining? 4. 42 means 8. Again 5 times. 5,850 into 3. We are getting 17,550. Next question number 70. Mona invested a certain sum in scheme A offering 20% per annum yearly compound interest for 2 years. She lent half of the amount she received from scheme A to Tini at 5% per annum simple interest for how many years? 2 years. Interest received by Mona from Tini was 1/8 of the amount received from scheme A. What is the value of T? What is the last line? Interest received by Mona from Tini was 1/8 of the amount received from scheme A. Suppose scheme A amount we are consider A or not? Scheme A amount A. In that how much value? 1/8 or not? That 1/8 is the interest received from Mona or not? Yes or no? First case, Mona scheme A offering 20% per annum 2 years. Compound interest or simple interest? Compound interest. 20% for 2 years compound interest 44. Amount 144. Means amount value 144. What is the condition here? She lent half of the amount she received from the scheme A. Scheme A amount received A. Half value means A by 2 or not? Already amount we are consider which one? A. In that half value means A by 2 or not? Okay. And that A by 2 value are invested 5% per annum simple interest for how many years? T years. Then we return 5% into T or not? Okay. What is the left hand side value? Interest received from Mona from Tina or not? Interest received by Mona from Tina. That is equal to which one? 1/8 of the amount received or not? Okay. Both sides A cancel or not? 2 how many times? 4 times or not? 5t% means 5t by 100 equal to which one? 1/4 or not? 5 and 4, 20. 20 how many times? 5. T equal to how many years? 5 years or not? Next question number 76 చూడండి first. If you return value 144, 144 again cancel or not? Okay. Question number 76. Organization X is decided refurnish the entire office by ACs, replacing the furniture and ACs, and also replace the desktops of employees with laptops. The furniture is included tables, chairs, cabinets and sofa sets. Means here furniture means which one? Tables, chairs, next one cabinets and sofas. Sofa sets are tables, chairs, cabinets, sofa sets. These are related to which one? Furniture. Any other are given? Tables, chairs, cabinets, sofa set. 4 are written or not? Chairs rasam kada. AC. Okay. Furniture and ACs, and also replace the desktops and employees. ACs. And also replace the desktops, ACs and also ACs and desktops. Desktops of employees with laptops. What is the question here? The cost of each cabinet is 3 times of which one? Cost of a chair. Cost of each table is 80% of the cost of a laptop. Cost of each table is 80% of the cost of a laptop. Cost of a table is 120% of the cost of an AC. Cost of a sofa set is twice that of which one? Laptop. Cost of a table is 21,000. Cost of a chair is 60% of which one? Laptop. Table cost is 80% of which one? Laptop cost. Suppose laptop cost we are consider 10 parts. Laptop cost 10 parts. Table cost 8 parts. Table how many parts? 8 parts. And one more, chair cost is 60% of which one? Laptop. Chair is how many parts? 6 parts. Next, what is the starting line? Any other relation? Cost of a sofa set is twice that of which one? Laptop. Sofa set is twice of which one? Laptop. Sofa set 20 parts or 10 parts? 20 parts. Any other relation? Cost of a table is 120% of which one? AC value. Table value is 120% of which one? AC value. Or 120% means 120% value represents how much? 8 parts. Then 100% value means it is 5 by 6. Or 5 by 6 means 5 8 how much? 40 by 6 or 20 by 3. Or means it is 20 by 3 parts. Or that is which one? AC value. Or next, any other clue? Cost of each cabinet is 3 times of which one? Chair. Cabinet will be 3 times of a chair value. Or means how much? 18 parts. Or any other clue? All are over. And what is the last line? Cost of a table is how much? 21,000. Cost of a table 21,000 means 8 parts value are equal to how much? 21,000. Simplify this one, we are get the 1 part value. What is the question here? Any other relation are required? What is the question? In order to furnish the all, it has to be provided with 4 tables, 4 chairs and 1 AC. What will the cost of the furnishing the all? 4 tables, 4 chairs and 1 AC. 4 tables means what is the each table value? 8 parts. 4 tables value 4 into 8. How many parts? 32 parts. Plus how many chairs? 4 chairs. Every chair 6 parts. 4 chairs means 24 parts. Next, how many ACs? 1 AC. 1 AC means 20 by 3 parts. 20 by 3 parts. All these are adding 32 plus 24, 56 plus 20 by 3 are 56 3s are 56 3s are 168 plus 80, 188 by 3 parts are, and already we know the 8 parts value. What is the 8 parts value? 21,000. Every one part 21,000 by 8 are. Every one part is how much? 21,000 by 8 means 188 by 3 into 21,000 by how much value? 8 are. 3 almost 7 times, 8 almost 8, 8 2s are 16. What is the remaining value? 28. 28 is not divisible. Then we have taken 4. 4 how many times? 2 times. 4 4s are 4. 7 times or not? 47 into 7. 47 7s are 280 plus 49. 329 means 32 9 000. Divide by which one? 2. What is the answer? 164500. Next question number 77. In all 4 cabinets and 8 tables and 22 chairs and 2 ACs are to be provided. If in the deal the organization got 8% discount, what was the total cost are incurred? First of all, how many cabinets are there? 4 cabinets. Every cabinet 18 parts. 4 cabinets means 72 parts are. Next, how many tables? 8 tables. Every table 8 parts. 8 8s are 64 parts are. Next, 22 chairs. What is the every chair value? 6 parts. 22 6 are 132 parts are. And how many ACs? 2 ACs. Every AC 20 by 3. 2 ACs means 40 by 3 parts are. Okay. 72 plus 64. 136 plus 132. 268 plus how much? 40 by 3. 268 into 3 plus 40 divide by which one? 3 or not? 3 into 260, 780. 3 8s are 2400. It is 804 plus 40. 844 by 3 parts are. 844 by 3 parts are. Every one part is how much? 21,000 by 8. First of all, we return total cost. 844 by 3 into 21,000 by which one? 800. Okay. It is total cost or not? In this one, how much percent are discount? 8%. 8% are discount means if in the deal the organization got 8% discount, what was the total cost are incurred? After a discount, it is how much? 92% or not? Before the discount, 100% or not? Means required cost price or after discount? Original cost price we return 100%. In that 8% discount means 92% or not? Then this value are 92% value or 100% value? 92%. But we required which one? 100%. 3 how many times? 7,000 times or not? 8 how many times? 8 is not cancelled. 4 how many times? 2 times. 4, 2, 1, 1 or not? Next, 92. It is 23 multiple. 23 4 the 92 or not? 211. It is 23 multiple. Possible? 23 7 the 23 7 the how much? 161 అనుకుంటా. సింప్లిఫై చేయండి, ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 78. just 1 minute. Sorry, actually this one is 100%. In this one, how much percent are discount? 8%. Sorry, total cost we are consider 100%. In that, how much percent our organization got discount? 8%. Means this value are 92%. It is 92%, but we required how much? 100%. We required 100% value. Simplify this one, we are get the answer. Next question number 78. If cabin A is to be provided one table, one chair and one laptop, and cabin B is to be provided cabinet and an AC, what is the ratio between the cost of the furnishing the cabins A and B respectively? Cabin A, one table, one chair and one laptop. One chair, one table means 8 parts. One chair, 6 parts. 8 plus 6, 14. What is the one laptop? 10 parts. Total it is 24. 24 parts are. Next, second one, cabin B. Cabin B is to be provided cabinet and AC. What is the cabinet value? 18 parts. AC value 20 by 3. 18 plus 20 by 3 means 3 into 18, 54. Plus 20 means 74. Means 74 by 3 parts are. Okay. 3 into 24, 72 is to 74. What is the answer? 36 is to 37. Question number 79. If the desktops of 27 employees are to be replaced with laptops and in exchange offer a discount of 2,500 in exchange of a desktop was given, what was the net cost of laptops? How many employees are there? 27 employees are. 27 employees are to be replaced with laptops. If the desktops of 27 employees are to be replaced with laptops in exchange of for a discount of which one? 2,500. And in exchange of desktop was given. What is the question here? Net cost of laptops are. Means every desktop how many rupees are discount offered? 2,500. Total how many desktops are replaced? 2,700. Means each one 2,500. Total 27 into 2,500. Okay. First we need to identify the laptop cost. What is the question here? Net cost of the laptop. What is the laptop? Each one 10 parts. 27 laptops means 270 parts are. Then we return 270 into every one part we return how much? 21,000 divided by 800. 21,000 divided by 8. That is equal to total cost of the laptops are. In that how many rupees are discount is given? Each one 2,500. 27 laptops means we return minus 27 into 2,500. These two are subtracting, we are get the net cost of all the laptops are only one laptop. All the laptops. What is the common value? 270 common or 2,700 also common. 2,700 are common. What is the first one? 210 by 8 minus second one 25. 8 into 25. 200. 210 and 200 difference. 10. Then we return 2,700 into 10 by 8. 2,000. We are common 2,700. Here how many zeros? 4. Sorry, it is 2,100 divided by 8 minus, here 2 zeros are common. What is the remaining? 25. And 2,700 into how much value? 2,100 minus 200. What is the remaining? 1,900 divided by 8. Simplify this one, we are get the value or not? Denominator 8, numerator how many zeros? 4 zeros. Denominator 8 we return 2700 into 1900. 8 means we return 1000 by 8 means it is 125 into how many times? 1000 by 125 or not? 1000 by 125 means 3 zeros are cancelled or not? Again it is multiplied by which one? 125. Denominator we return 1000 by which one? 125. 2 zeros are cancelled or not? 0 also cancelled or not? Then we return 27 into 19 into which one? 125. 1 27 into 190 into 125. Next question number 80. If the cost of a table, chair and cabinet is increased by 25% and 20% and 30% respectively, what will be the total cost of one table, two chairs and one cabinet together? Table cost is increased by how much? 25%. Chair cost 20%. Cabinet cost 30% are increased. But we required cost of a one table, two chairs and one cabinet. One table means how many parts? 8 parts. It is increased by 25%. What is the new price? 10 parts. New price are 10 parts. Next, chair is increased by 20%. What is the 20% of 6 parts? 1.2. Each one 7.2 parts. Next, cabinet is increased by 30%. What is the each cabinet? 18 parts. 30% means 5.4. 18 plus 5.4. 23.4 parts. What is the each table value? 10 parts. Each chair 7.2. What is the each cabinet? 23.4. But here question, one table plus two chairs. One table means 10 parts. Two chairs means 14.4. 10 parts plus 14.4 parts plus one cabinet 23.4. Total it is how much? 23 plus 14, 37 plus 10, 47.8 parts. Then we return 47.8 multiplied by 21,000 divided by how much? 8. It is written as 478 by 10 into how much? 21,000 by 8. 0 0 cancel. 4 how many? 2 how many times? Denominator 4. Numerator 2 how many times? 23. Again 9. 239 into 2100 divided by 4. 239 into 2900 divided by which one? 4. End with 9 into 100, 9000 divided by 4 means end with 5 or not? How many options? 2 options or not? 4 how many times here? 5 times. What is the remaining value? 100 means it is 25. 525 into which one? 239. 239 into 525. 25 9s are how much? 225. End with 25. End with 25. Fourth option or not? Question number 71. What is the cost price of the article? We required which one? Cost price of the article. What is the first statement? Selling price of the article are given 600. Only first statement is sufficient? No, because we required cost price means definitely we know the selling price, profit or loss. What is the second statement? 9% of the selling price of the article is equal to the which one? 12% of the cost price. 20% of the cost price of the article is 6 more than the which one? 14% of the selling price of the article. First 9% of the selling price equal to which one? 12% of cost price. From this one we are get the ratio. Okay. Again second one, 20% of the cost price of the article is 6 more than the which one? 14% of the article. 3 3s are and here 3 4 means CP by SP equal to which ratio? 4:3 means one is 4 parts, another one 3 parts. In second, 20% of cost price means 20% of how many parts? 4 parts is 6 more than the which one? 14% of the selling price of the article means 14% of how many parts? 3 parts. Compared to this one, 6 more. Simplify this one, we are get the 1 part value. If you are get the 1 part value, obviously we are get the cost price. Then 2 alone is sufficient or not sufficient? Sufficient. 24s are 14 3s are 42. Difference we are get the 1 part value. It is 8 parts. Sorry, it is 0.8 parts. And 14% of 3 parts. 0.42 parts. 3/4. 3, it is 3 parts or not? And it is 4 parts. We are get the answer or not? Simplify this one, we are get the 1 part value. If you are get the 1 part value, obviously we are get the cost price. Cost price 3 parts, selling price are 4 parts. Then 2 alone is sufficient or not sufficient? Sufficient. Next question number 72. What is the area of the isosceles right angle triangle? What is the area of isosceles right angle triangle formula? B/4 into square root of 4a square minus b square. Means b is the base value, a is the equal sides. A is the equal sides and b is the base value. And what is the first statement? If the height and base of the triangle are increased by 8 and 3 meters respectively, and its hypotenuse will become how much? 25. But here we don't know the height value and we don't know the base value. 1 alone is not sufficient. What is the second one? Hypotenuse of the triangle is how much? 12 root meters. Hypotenuse are given, but we don't know the base value. Then 2 alone also not sufficient. By using both also not sufficient. Then answer both 1 and together are not sufficient, because we don't know the base value and we don't know the equal sides values. Just only hypotenuse are given. Okay. Next question number 73. In how many days ABC together can finish the work? We required ABC together. First statement, A and B together in how many days? 13 1/3 days. B and C together 8 4/7 days. C is twice as efficient as A. A and B are given, B and C are given. We are get the LCM or not? If you are get the LCM means we are get the total work or not? In that we are get the A plus B efficiency and B plus C efficiency or not? And we know the relation between A and C efficiency ratio or not? Obviously we are get the individual efficiencies of A, B, C or not? Or A plus B efficiency, B plus C efficiency, A plus C efficiency. All these are adding, we are get the total 6% efficiency or not? Divide by 2, we are get the how many percent efficient? 3%. Total work by 3% efficiency, we are get the time or not? Then 1 alone is sufficient or not sufficient? Sufficient. What is the second statement? B takes 6 days more than the A to finish the work. But we required ABC means definitely 3% efficiency are required, total work also required. Only 2 alone not sufficient. Next question number 74. What is the value of AB minus BC? We required which one? AB minus BC. What is the first statement? Value of BC minus CA equal to how much? 20. BC minus CA equal to how much? 20. Only 1 alone not sufficient. Second one, CA minus AB equal to how much? 7. These two are adding, CA cancel. What is the remaining? BC minus AB equal to how much? 27. This one we written minus BC plus AB equal to minus 27. Entire equation is multiplied by negative. Then minus BC plus AB equal to how much? Minus 27. What is the question here? AB minus BC. Left hand side it is AB minus BC or not? Then by using both the statements we are get the answer or not? Only one alone, not sufficient. Only two alone, not sufficient. But by using both are, we are get the answer or not? We required two unknowns. Means two linear equations are required or only one? Two linear equations. Next question number 75. What is the sum of A and square of B? Means A value plus B square or not? What is the first statement? Sum of the squares of A and B is how much? 74. A plus B equal to A square plus B square equal to how much? 74. Only one alone? Not sufficient, because how many unknowns are there? Two unknowns are not. Next, second statement. Sum of the A and B is how much? 12. A plus B value is how much? 12 or not? Only 2 alone? Not sufficient or not? A plus B 12 means we are get the number of possibilities are only one. Number of possibilities are not. Only one alone not sufficient, only 2 alone not sufficient. By using both the statements, S, A value I written 5, B value 7. 5 plus 7, 12. What is the 5 square? 25. 7 square? 49 or not? Or, if A value I written 7, B value 5. What is the 7 square? 49. What is the 5 square? 25. Same result are getting or a different result? Same result or not? Then answer. Both one and together or only one? Both one and together or not? Same result or a different result? Same result. Wait. A value 7, B value 5. A value 5, B value. If A value are 7, B value how much? 5. A value 5, B value 7. Two possibilities are not. Okay. Suppose A equal to I written 5, B equal to 7. We required which one? A plus B, B square or not? What the 5 plus B square means? 49. 5 plus 49, 54. It is one case result or not? What the another case result? A value 7, B value 5. 5 plus 7 plus 25. 7 plus 25, 32. Two different results are not. But data sufficiency is always unique result or not? Okay. First case we are getting the 54. Second case we are getting a 32 or not? How many results we are getting? Two results or not? Then answer. Both one and together also not sufficient or not? Numbers same, but resultant value are different or not? Both one and together are not